Hello. This Wildrose Ranch home is presented to you by Glenn and Kelly Nelson, a dynamic husband and wife team that have been successfully buying and selling homes for over 10 years. This property has one of the largest floor plans in the area with 5 bedrooms, 2 on the main floor, and 3 bathrooms. Large upstairs bonus room, spacious kitchen with island, eating area, family room, living room with dramatic 2-story entry, and a formal dining room. You'll also find some beautiful crown molding, travertine tile, oak plank flooring. And outside is an easy maintenance backyard, with views of the mountains. Located on a cul-de-sac just a short walk from Temescal Valley Elementary School. Beautiful neighborhood with 4 private association parks, 2 playgrounds, 2 baseball diamonds, basketball court, walking paths, picnic tables and a gated dog park. Low association dues of just $60 a month. And you'll be happy to know this property has no Melrose tax. Set against the foothills of the Cleveland National Forest, and just minutes to Tom's Farm, Glen Ivy Hot Springs, and more. Here is a Wildrose Ranch home that'll sell fast. So, if you like what you see, let's get the paperwork started before this beauty is gone. Thank you.